Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7, so 2 adults and 5 kids living big with less. And today I have a Christmas clean with me. If you guys are like me, you guys have been super busy because here in Australia, not only do we have all of the fantastic Christmas events happening, but it's also the end of our school year. So we're doing lots of end of year parties and concerts and the whole shebang at the moment. So we have been so busy. Our house had gotten a little bit out of whack. We have had swimming school intensive programs, and so we were just all so busy that things have gotten out of control. But the wonderful thing about minimalism is that it's really quick to get it back to how we want it to be, to square one, to reset. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas themed video.
Hold up, I am on my way.
As always, I am getting started in my kitchen. Now, to be honest, the kitchen is fairly good today. Even when things are crazy, I try and keep on top of the kitchen because it's where we spend most of our time and where most of the grossness accumulates.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
I'm just putting on my Scentsy. The scent I have is called Cambridge. It's got this like woody, warm scent, which sort of seems perfect for Christmas. Now I'm just quickly doing the few dishes that we had left over. I've just made breakfast for the kids and lunches, so there's just some containers and some odds and ends hanging around that I'm gonna wash off.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
So what I like to do is make sure that my benches are primarily clear. So as you can see, I'm just clearing off the benches and then I'm going to wipe everything down so that it's nice and fresh.
Painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
I have a white laminate bench top and sometimes it gets little marks just even if a coffee cup or something has sat there for too long. So what I like to do is just grab some gumption and it just acts as a slight abrasive and just gets off any marks that don't come off with general multi-purpose cleaner.
In my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on.
Now, as I was going to put these bananas in the freezer for smoothies, I noticed that things had gotten a little bit chaotic in our fridge and freezer. So what I'm doing is what I call a quick tidy. I'm not pulling everything out, but I'm just sort of making sure I can see everything, taking a quick stock take of what's there, and wiping everything down.
And the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working
So
much
now I'm
lately.
just moving on into our lounge room. We have just got a few Christmas decorations out. I'm just tidying everything up and wiping the tables over. As you can see, my toddler has been rearranging our Christmas tree, so the never-ending task of me putting ornaments back on is what's happening. Now, my number one tip if you are cleaning is to get a basket. And as you clean, chuck everything in the basket that does not belong in that area so that as you go around to the next room, you can just take it all with you. This is also great if people are going to stop by unannounced, that you can just quickly grab anything that doesn't belong.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you.
So guys, along with that beautiful view from those great windows and all that amazing natural light comes this task of cleaning all the windows. Because we live across the road from the beach, it gets really gross from the sea air. The salt water picks up and it just leaves awful marks on my windows. So I try and spend 10 minutes a day just cleaning as many windows as I can in that amount of time.
So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
So when I'm cleaning my windows, I just use a vinegar and water solution, a microfiber cloth, and a Norwex polishing cloth.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So this angel is my absolute favorite Christmas decoration. She is called the Joy of Christmas Morning Angel, and she has a little scene of some kids opening their presents on Christmas morning, and it's my absolute favorite. It was a gift from my mum. And I'm just setting the robot to vacuum out there while I get started on the girls' room with Winnie.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm off for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about.
So one of the things I like to do at least once a week is go through and do a quick reset of the kids' toys, just getting them into the right baskets. This is also an opportunity for me to remove any broken bits and pieces or anything that I've noticed isn't getting played with. We can get rid of it on a regular basis, and it just helps to keep everything under control.
I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me.
As you can see, Winnie is my busy little bee who's popping around helping me put toys away and tidy things up while her brother Hamish is having a nap.
Jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing.
As you can see, my toddler has now woken from said nap and has come in to check out what we're doing.
Winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. Oh, my
now I'm just moving up to my eldest daughter's bunk, and I'm just going to change her sheets. I change sheets for everyone on about a 1.5 to 2 week basis, sometimes quicker if we have an accident, but mostly I just try and get around to everybody. I try not to do everybody on one day. I just work my way through and get at least someone done every day or every other day.
Tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bonafide.
So on this particular day, I had actually done our sheets already and they had been hanging on the line. So I am just giving them a quick iron. I don't always do this. However, these are a new microfiber set that I bought from Kmart. And if they're not ironed, they look super crinkly. So I just give them a really quick once over.
Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now, let's savor this. And underneath the mistletoe, get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by. So
Now I'm just going through and putting away all of the dry hanging clothes. And so what I do is I just hang them up in the wardrobe till I'm ready to iron. That way, if the week gets crazy and I don't have a chance to iron, at least all the clothes are clean and hanging up where they're supposed to be.
does this come true? Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true. Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah.
Is there any better feeling than opening your windows and opening up those curtains and letting that natural light stream in? So as you can see, I'm just putting up a load of washing. Now most of my washing I actually hang up on hangers when it's wet and it dries on the hanger, but there are a couple of things that have either been worn or perhaps just lightly used. And of course this new minimalism dress that my sister got me. So I'm just hanging up those few things and doing all of our folded laundry. I try to do it every day and I really make myself do it so it doesn't get out of hand. And I usually have less than one basket to do.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, we would love to have you subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one.
I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere. tomorrow.